Hi guys, it's me Hailey, and we are at the train. We just got here from I hope. And we're at the train. So much fun.
Este pertenece al mismo, ¿no?
Oh, and
Esta
there's
alberca de aquí.
schools over there. Look
Porque
at
tienes las
that.
albercas naturales y las albercas. Okay.
There's one pool and there's
Está
another
padrísimo las
pool
naturales. Son
somewhere else.
de agua.
They're playing soccer. Really fun. They're like giving us a tour. They're like giving us a tour. In the place. We're right now in New Braunfels, and then we're gonna go to San Antonio.
David, no se te ocurra hacer eso otra vez.
Rangers. The Rangers.
Para el policía. Está padre. Todos bien amigables.
Wait, where's the bird? There it is.
Lo que pasa es que, imagínate un error que hagas y te agarra la llanta y te truena, te corta el brazo. ¿Qué es eso? Dimos la vuelta nada más.
Them again. I'll make another video when we're somewhere else. Like when we're in the, let's see, the hotel. I'll make another video because we have to do something. So, yeah. Bye.